Unlocking memory power. Mnemonic devices explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we'll be exploring a fascinating and practical topic in English language learning: mnemonic devices. These are tools that can greatly enhance your memory and learning experience. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets of mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that help you remember information more easily. They work by associating new information with familiar concepts or patterns. This can include acronyms, visualization, rhymes, or even songs. Mnemonics are not just useful for language learning but are also widely used in various fields like medicine, music, and mathematics. Acronyms. Acronyms are formed by taking the first letters of a series of words to create a new word. For instance, ROIGBIV is an acronym used to remember the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Rhymes. Rhymes make information catchier and easier to recall. A classic example is 30 days hath September, April, June, and November, to remember the days in each month. Visualizations. This involves creating a mental image to remember words or concepts. For instance, imagining a cat sitting on a mat to remember the word cat. In English, chunking. Chunking breaks down long strings of information into smaller, manageable units. This is especially helpful in language learning, like breaking down a long sentence into shorter phrases for better comprehension. Vocabulary building. Create acronyms or associate words with images or rhymes to remember new vocabulary. For example, remember the word belligerent by thinking of a bell aggressively ringing. Grammar rules. Use mnemonic devices to remember grammatical structures. For example, remember the order of adjectives in English with the acronym OSSASCOMP: opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose. Pronunciation. Rhymes can help with tricky pronunciation. For example, remembering that fish rhymes with wish can help non-native speakers with the sh sound. Mnemonic devices enhance memory retention and make learning more enjoyable and engaging. They are particularly useful for English language learners as they provide creative ways to remember complex or unfamiliar information. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the power of mnemonic devices in language learning. Remember, the key is to be creative and have fun with your learning process. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.